Right, a planned route has a true course of 179 and the true heading is 185. After 23 minutes en route, a fix is overflown that is 44 nautical miles away from the departure point and 6 nautical mile right of the course line. Calculate the average drift angle for this flight. Alright, so let's simplify the question. Yeah, I will just draw here the aircraft. We have the true heading, which is 185, and our true course is 179. I'll just write it like this, 179. So while we are flying here, this is what we plan, and let's say there is some kind of ground station en route fix, let's say like that. We know that from here we have 6 degrees left drift. Yes, 60 degrees left. And when we arrive on top of the beacon, we notice that we are 6 nautical miles right of the track. 6 nautical miles right. Yeah. So as we know that from here we have the difference of 6 degrees between 179 and 185 degrees, so we are planning to drift 6 degrees left, so the correction will be 6 degrees right. So the drift is 6 degrees left, correction is 6 degrees right. So we are correcting and we are flying to track of 179. Now let's get back to the question. It says after 44 nautical miles, we are 6 nautical miles right. So I will take out my calculator. Since we are 6 degrees right, I'll multiply 6 with 60 and divide it by the overflown 44 nautical miles. So I will divide it by 44, which gives me 8.1818. It goes something like that. So basically we know that we have the correction for 6 degrees to the right, but now we are actually 8 degrees to the right. So the difference between 6 degrees and 8 degrees, it will be 2 degrees to the right. So that gives me the answer A, and if I press on it, it is the correct one. 160 rule is really simple. When I see these questions on my ATPL examination, I feel really happy because they are really easy to master. So after a few questions, it will be perfect for you, and good luck on your examination.